Hey Jason, it's James with Genuine Leads. I hope you're having a good day, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. So the first thing I'm gonna go over is command content. So anywhere on your homepage where you do have wording, um, Google calls this command content. They like to see roughly around 1,500 to 2,000 words. Right now you're at 829, so that would have to come up. The reason for that is Google crawlers crawl um, the internet or websites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And one thing that they're looking for is what services you offer and what locations you offer your services. Um, the second thing I'm going to talk about is organic keywords. So, an organic keyword is anything that a potential customer would put into Google search in order to find your services. So the idea is to have the organic keywords throughout all pages of your website. And a great example is heating and cooling, Orlando Park, Illinois. Okay. Right here is Google guaranteed, which that is pretty much a paid ad. Okay. Right here is the map section, the Google My Business. This top one here is an ad, of course, but typically you want to be top three, right? The reason for that is this generates 30% of all traffic that goes to your site each month. Okay, so it's a very big thing to be top three here. There's quite a few different avenues to get your business up there. One is reviews. Two is pictures. Google likes pictures, so typically you want to have like 50 more than your number one competitor. The third thing is citations. Citations is anytime your business name, phone number, and address is listed into another website, Google will issue one citation for that. Okay, and furthermore, citations also help you rank organically as well. Okay, this is the organic listing. This is 70% of the traffic that goes to your site each month. So typically you want to be top three, right? The least, the least at least first page, but generally speaking, top three. One thing that I did notice is you guys do service in a couple different areas, and it'd be a good idea to have service pages for those. That way you can rank that actual page for that area. So what I did now or next is I put your website into a software that I use. Okay, this right here, this is the UR rating, which is a trust factor of Google. Right now you have no data there. Okay, which that tells me that there's a good possibility that you don't have enough citations in order to build that trust factor. The second thing right here, this is your power rating. This tells Google how powerful you are in the Google search results. Okay, right now you're at 22 out of 100. You have a little over 1,600 backlinks. FYI, a backlink is pretty much a shout out from another website, and this helps give you power and exposure. You have 764 organic keywords throughout your entire site, and you have 266 traffic to your site, which is pretty decent. However, there's always room for improvement, right? So definitely need to bring up that command content. Definitely need obviously more citations, and possibly service pages. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. If you could, please give me some feedback and let me know if this video was worth your time. And you can take this information and do with it as you please. You know, you can do this stuff yourself, whatever the case may be. Or you could give me a call. I'll go ahead and leave my number in the description below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. Have a good day, Jason. Bye.